This is a super crazy story that I've just got to share. I mean, I'm like blown away right now. All right, breaking news. Let's do this. All right, this is Marcus Guiliano. I'm your chef on a mission. Today's mission is health and convenience stores, 7-Eleven in particular. This is like, it's been all over some of the stuff I've been reading on the internet. 7-Eleven, the inventor of the Slurpee, is going organic. Yes, you've heard that right. 7-Eleven, the inventor of the Slurpee, is going organic. Let's see. This one's from the Washington Post, this article. There's many articles all over the internet about this. By Caitlin Dewey from Washington Post. This is January 16th. Psst. Hi, honey. Hi. I'm doing a video. That's the stray cat that was not friendly to anybody all summer long. Has finally got follows me around like a little dog and jumps on me, jumps on my leg while I'm walking. Really, the cat's really connected to me. But back to the article. So, like thousands of U.S. convenience stores, many 7-Eleven stores cram rows of snacks between the walls of chilled sodas and a bank of churning Slurpee machines. But starting this month, 7-Eleven will also begin selling cold-pressed juice. It's organic, vegan, fair trade, non-GMO, and gluten-free, and designed to appeal to an entirely new convenience store customer. This is why my mind's blown. This is just crazy. Crazy in a good way, though. Crazy in an awesome way. Analysts say the launch is a tiny part of a major trend sweeping truck stops, corner stores, and mini marts from coast to coast. As the sale of gas, cigarettes, and soda plummet, many stores are vying for customers with fresh produce and other better-for-you products that would have once been looked out of place in the land of big gulps. That could make a difference in the diets of millions, experts say, especially those who rely upon convenience stores as a primarily source of food. Now, I talk to a lot of people, and their whole main thing with eating healthy is they don't have the food in front of them. It's not accessible. They were like, I would do it more, Marcus, if the food was in front of me. And that's people's downfalls. They don't plan ahead. They like convenience food, so they like to go wherever and grab food. When I travel, I'm going to Vegas in a month from now, in a full month from now, I'm going to Vegas. I'm already planning my food. I'm already thinking, like, what am I going to take? I just soaked, cleaned, and dehydrated almonds. So I'm going to vacuum pack those and take those. I have some figs here that I will do the same thing, vacuum pack in smaller portions. The bullet, NutriBullet that I have is not working, so I have to go buy a new one. I know where the Whole Foods is already. I know how I'm going to get there. I already know what I'm going to buy in these conferences. I'm going to have avocados with me. I'm going to have. I know everything already. But a lot of people don't travel like I do, and they just like wing it. And that's the real thing. Is they're just planning to fail when eating healthy. And believe me, survey after survey, and when you talk to people, yeah, I want to eat healthy, but I just don't have the means. The food's not in front of me, is what they say. If it was in front of me, of course I'd eat it. So this is awesome that convenience stores, especially 7-Eleven, are making a massive change like this. Let's see. There is a convenience store in every community in America, said Amaris Bradley, the director of partnerships at the nonprofit Partnership for Healthier America, which has worked with stores to offer more nutritious items. If you can transform that industry, you can make healthy options more accessible to lots of people. Already, convenience stores have begun to change how they do business, said Jeff Leonard, who heads strategic industry initiatives at the National Association of Convenience Stores. Nearly half of all convenience stores expanded their fruit and vegetable offerings in 2017, according to the NACS survey. And thousands more introduced yogurt, health bars, string cheese, packaged salads, and hard-boiled eggs. At 7-Eleven, the world's largest convenience store chain with 10,500 U.S. locations, the company has aggressively developed a better-for-you products under Go Smart banner pushing low sugar, herbal teas, fruit and nut bars, and rice crackers. At Quick Trips, the Midwestern chain seems seen by many in the industry as the leader of the healthy store movement. Executives hired an in-house dietitian to help introduce new products and reformulate old ones. Each of the company's 586 stores are now stocked with fresh fruit, vegetables, from avocados, potatoes, and mushrooms to snack packs of grape tomatoes. Love grape tomatoes. When I'm traveling, go to the store, pick up grape tomatoes, pick up those baby carrots, even pick up a bag of carrots. But those grape tomatoes are awesome. Word of caution, it's hard to go into the store and just pick fruit up and just all of a sudden start eating it without properly washing it. Just be very, very, very careful. You can catch some nasty infections, bacterial infections from, because you don't know what's going on out in the field. These people that are picking these workers, whether it's in New Jersey, California, Arizona, or Mexico, they don't have bathrooms in the fields. Then it goes to warehouses, and who knows what's happening. And it's just they don't have bathrooms in the field, but they're still going to the bathroom, is what I should have said. Okay, so be careful about that. Be very, very careful. So let's see. Here comes the cat. So you got to get down, sweetie. You got to get down. I know you want some attention. I've given you attention all day today. Let's see. Convenience stores also face a collapse of the industry's top-selling items: cigarettes, soda, and gas, said Frank Bearden, a analyst for Gas Buddy, an app and data service for convenience stores. Soda and cigarette sales have been down for years, he points out, and the margins on gas are low. Food sales are an opportunity for them, Beard said. It's a perfect storm of factors. This isn't to say, of course, that convenience stores still don't sell junk. Before Beard worked in the industry, he spent 30 days eating only at gas station food as an internet stunt. Customers must often navigate a maze of chips and soda, he acknowledged, to reach the raw almonds and bottled water. Healthy foods typically don't replace unhealthy ones on shelves. They simply move them over. While chain stores have leveraged their size and distribution networks to source healthier items, many independent stores have struggled to change their stocks, Leonard said. With a team of researchers from the University of Illinois tallied the foods available at 127 stores in underserved areas in 2015, they found the stores stocked 1.8 fresh fruit options on average and 2.9 fresh vegetables. Only 12% offered whole wheat bread or low-fat dairy. And the article goes on to say another few points, but all in all, this is great news, because now there's really not that many excuses for you not to eat healthy. But plan ahead. If you know you're going somewhere, traveling. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to be in two conferences. I'm going to the Grant Cardone 10X Growth Conference, and then I'm also going to my mastermind meeting. It's going to be a week long, and I know where Whole Foods is. Like I said, I know what I'm buying. I know what I'm taking with me. I even thought about sending food to the hotel, because it's just a matter of me, sending nuts or sending whatever out there to the hotel and having it waiting for me. So, always plan ahead. It's very easy to do. There's lots of containers now that have these air pockets that you can keep hot food, you can keep cold food, you can take soup with you, you can take fresh juice with you. It's just amazing what kind of options you have that you can do yourself and that you can get at the stores now. I'm Chef Marcus Guiliano. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, leave some options. What are some of the foods that you like to travel with? Healthy foods.